Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. We will keep today's video as short as possible. The company Conduent, they work with a wide range of Fortune 100 companies and other governmental entities, and they are hiring a customer service associate. Now, this is 100% remote for my United States folks only. They are looking for someone who can work the schedule of Monday through Friday, 11:30 a.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. So this is a little bit different off shift than the standard 8 to 5. They are paying $15 an hour. The good news about this is Conduent often does not require very much experience at all. It's one of those jobs that you can get your foot in the door. But they are looking for someone to assess calls and provide service immediately, or transfer those calls or follow up with client resolution. You'll identify the customer needs by referring to their case notes and examining each specific case. You'll perform routine call center activities such as concerning business products and services. They will provide you with standard scripts to use, and you'll have to work within their standard established guidelines. You'll have to communicate with the customers in a warm and empathetic manner, and of course escalate any issues to senior level management. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who can follow a basic range of processes, procedures, and systems. Someone who can work with a close degree of supervision. Someone who has the ability to problem solve in your self-guided way. And someone who will evaluate the issues and provide the best outcomes for the client. Alright, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.